I'll never forget that one trip. It was supposed to be perfect, finally escaping to a tropical island, clear blue skies, and golden sands. I had everything planned down to the last detail. But then life happened. I was standing at the airport, passport in hand, ready to board my flight when I got the call. My mom had fallen seriously ill. Everything changed in an instant. My vacation dreams suddenly seemed small and distant, but the urgency of getting back home to be with her hit me like a ton of bricks. I was in a total panic, but I knew I had to figure out what to do. You've probably been there. You're standing at the counter, trying to explain to the airline, but the frustration builds because nothing is moving fast enough. I tried to change my ticket, but the costs were through the roof. Thousands of dollars just to get home early. I was panicking. Everything was falling apart. And that's when I remembered my travel insurance. I honestly hadn't thought about it much. You know how it goes, right? You buy it and then forget it's even there, hoping you'll never need it. Well, this time I needed it. I called my insurance company with no idea if it would even help. I was half expecting them to throw up a bunch of red tape, make me jump through hoops, and then leave me stranded. But they didn't. They were calm. They were kind. They walked me through the process, told me exactly what documents I needed, and helped me rebook my flights without charging me a penny more than the original ticket price. They also made sure I had the necessary coverage to deal with unexpected cancellations. I was floored. I couldn't believe how smooth it went. I didn't have to stress about extra fees or even what to do about my non-refundable hotel reservation. Everything was taken care of, just like that. I got on a flight home that day, and while I was still worried about my mom, I didn't have to worry about how I was going to pay for it. It made all the difference. If there's one thing I learned from this whole experience, it's this. You really never know when something might change your plans. One moment, everything is fine, and then you're on the phone trying to get your life back on track. So, if you're traveling, take a moment and really think about your travel insurance. It might feel like an extra expense at the time, but I can tell you, it's the one thing that can save you from a total disaster. I personally use Aura's, and sure, you can find it online, or I'll put the link in the description for my travel coverage now. It's not some fancy endorsement. It's just something that really worked for me when I needed it the most. I trust it. I'd recommend it to anyone who's planning a trip, whether it's a vacation or a business trip or something else. Because life, it's unpredictable, but your travel insurance doesn't have to be. Trust me, you'll be grateful you have it when you need it.